In this video, I'm going to compare and tell you about the pros and cons of Geico and Progressive. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, let's talk about Geico. Geico is well known for its affordable auto insurance rates and strong online tools. It provides a wide range of coverage options and has a reputation for quick and easy claims processing. One of the major advantages of Geico is the number of discounts available, including those for safe drivers, good students, and bundling policies. Its mobile app and website are highly rated for ease of use. However, Geico has limited availability of local agents, which may be a downside for those who prefer face-to-face service. Now let's talk about Progressive. Progressive is another major player in the auto insurance market and is known for offering competitive pricing and innovative tools like the Name Your Price tool. It also provides a wide variety of insurance products, including auto, home, and renters. One of Progressive's standout features is the Snapshot program, which personalizes rates based on driving habits. On the downside, some users have reported higher rates after the first policy term and mixed reviews on customer service experiences. So that's basically the main differences are between Geico and Progressive, which will help you in choosing the right one for you. So that's all for this video.